Hello, and welcome to episode 4 of Cooking and Concocting, and our first special episode. Today, we have our guest co-producer, Aiden, and our guest cameraman, Alex. Today, we will be cooking fish. I want to start by saying this fish was obtained ethically, legally, and morally, and was taken care of by a professional chef. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna debone the fish. The words are sharp. Alright, so we're gonna want to use not a sawing motion, but we're gonna want to use a picking motion so we can scrape all the bones off and we get just the meat left. Alright, so now we have our fish filleted, we're gonna start frying it. And I would also like to say that I do have my license from the Fishing and Boat Commission. And because our fish is on the smaller side of what's legal, we're gonna keep the scales on while we fry it. Alright, we'll get that.
Keep that in.
We'll keep that in. We'll keep that in. We'll keep that in. So now we're gonna season our fish right before we put it on the sear. We're gonna use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Thank you, cameraman Alex. Oh! I would like to say that we are trained by professionals, professional chefs, professional cameramen, professional producers, and audio members. All professionals, all professional trained. So now that the fish is starting to curl up, we're going to tilt our pan so the oil comes away, and we're going to flip them. Oh, that's a great cook right there. That's a nice sear. Alright, so we're going to plate our fish now. Now it's all sizzling and hot and well done. You want an orangey chicken-like look on the outside. Alright, so if you did it right, your skin should peel right off the meat and you can dig in. So now let's give it a taste and give it a rating. Alright, well the fish was pretty tasty. Me personally, I don't really like seafood, but I'm going to be fair and give it a rating of 6.7 out of 10.
Cameraman liked it though.